time no vlog, guys. Today's gonna be an interesting day though, because Katie and I are going to see Acme in San Francisco. Basically, we're going to a concert. So yeah, that'll be fun. But first, we're gonna go to Japantown and get food because we're fucking starving.
It's 7 drinks. We're indulging.
Yeah.
Any other chicken?
Yeah. Waiting for a little picture. We're so freaking cute. I love it. I really like this one. This one turned out so good. It's almost like a poster or something. I love it. Yay. I got more food because I'm disgusting. I got one of my favorite little parfaits, and I got a drink. I think Katie got a latte. Yeah. I'm kind of focusing towards you. Say hello, Katie. Yeah, just taking a break. I'm gonna go eat now. There we go. I'm still trying to work on this stupid parfait because I was determined to have it because I only get this like maybe once, twice a year. And yeah, you can't get this anywhere else. I mainly got it for the cake and jelly. So Katie's over here low-key judging me and my life choices. She's like, girl, really? This is a lot. I feel like my eyelash is blowing off and it's not. Yeah, I don't know. This place is delicious, guys. And there's usually like a large line here, but there wasn't today, and so I had to. Otherwise, what's my life, right? I'm sorry, I'm disgusting.
This place is really good. I highly recommend it. But yeah, I'm trying to make her get a donut because yeah, the texture's like a donut, but it's also mochi. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah.
Okay, so I'm proud of her. She got the best tasting one, I swear to God. This is the only one that matters. Is the green tea flavor.
Never got this.
Yeah, it's really good. I've had this one before.
You have it?
I've had that one before.
Is it good?
This is the only one that matters, honestly, in my opinion.
Okay. That's good. The texture is soft.
It's not a donut, but it's not mochi either, right? It's wild.
It's weird.
I told you. That was the whole point.
Good.
Good. Yay, I'm proud of you. Now you can't touch me anymore, bitch. Round 2. Still good. Still good. So we're in line and it's cold and I feel like I'm falling apart slowly, which isn't good. But we're managing. Line isn't long, so I think we'll be good. I think it's gonna be very small and intimate. I'm kind of excited for that. I've never done anything like that, so. Katie's dying, her contacts are hurting her. She's not used to wearing circle lenses. She doesn't know how I do it. Now she has a whole new respect for me, don't you? Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna stop recording because I feel like I'm weirding people out. Hi, Katie. Can you hear it? I don't know if they can hear it, but oh my god. We're inside. Just waiting now. It is now 2 in the morning. Wow, I even have an eyelash coming off. Please forgive the fact that I look like a hot mess express. Matter of fact, let's not. Wow, that just came off. But yeah, I'm back home for my concert. I had a lot of fun, actually. It was definitely a more intimate live, which I actually enjoyed. And there's a lot of like new things like I'd never heard before that I heard friends make a big deal about, and they didn't get to go because they had work, but they ended up staying and I ended up going, and I was like, oh, now I see why you like them. I see what you're talking about. So yeah, excuse the fact that I look a mess. I headbanged like no tomorrow. I learned some foodie from not only the band but some really like intense bangya babes. Like, dude, they were on their shit. I was like, pop off, queen. Like I backed up and let them have their space, but some of it I tried. I had never tried it before, so thank you for teaching me something new. I knew about it, I just didn't know how to do it. I had my McDonald's tea because I'm very dehydrated. My makeup is like totally off. This is the most intense thing I've been to, and if you get a chance to see any of the bands at all, go for it. They're so fun. I had such a good time. I'll probably do a video showing you guys my merch, but I'll probably be in PJs when I do that because I'm really tired and I really want to take my contacts off, and I really want to take like my makeup off. I feel gross. But other than that, I'll probably close out the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this interesting. I know it's been a while since I've vlogged. It's been a while since I've been in San Francisco. I'm back at my parents' house, which is in the middle of nowhere. And I'm currently in Sacramento, going to university and stuff, and I'm on winter break right now, so I don't go back for another week. But this was a Christmas present to myself and a birthday present for my friend Katie, who literally at the strike of midnight turned a specific age. I was really glad I got to share it with her. That was really fun. I'm glad that she enjoyed it, and I'm glad that I had a really good time. I can't feel my feet. I just want to lay down. I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna soak my sore legs and feet in a good hot bath. Anyways, hopefully I'll be vlogging more. I really want to put out a makeup tutorial for my channel before I go back to school and get really busy, but we'll see if that happens. We'll see. But I hope you guys at least enjoyed this. It was something. It's content, right? Anyways, until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. It's my haul from today. So first and foremost, can we just mention how fucking cute this parikura is? It was so cute to the point where Katie was very invested in enlarging it, so we did that. She really likes this picture. I'm glad we chose this one because it turned out good. I'm glad. So yeah, here's this. I love parikura. I love taking it a lot. And in terms of Acme merch, here is my techie. I am Casper the Friendly Ghost. Because see, like, you can see their noses and then there's mine. I was afraid to use I didn't trust my camera. So I was like, yeah, can we do Polaroid just because I don't trust myself? Man, maybe I should have done my camera. Maybe I should have put it on snow or something and just prayed for the best because, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I'm still happy with it. It's still very cute. And then we got stickers because you're part of VIP. Probably some of them will go on my MacBook. People will probably be very confused at school. This is my lanyard for my VIP pass. Has them on it. I think the back is just the tour thing, the collision tour. Which overall was just a good tour. Even the bands that weren't Acme were good. And then here's my poster, which is really cute. I'm really torn as to what I want to do with this because I really want to bring it to my dorm, but I really don't want to risk damaging the walls. So I'm like, do I leave it here or do I bring it with me? Because this is kind of cool. Maybe I'll just have a special place next to my femme poster, which is also signed. We'll see. But yeah, I don't know. It's all my stuff. I had fun. I'm really tired. I'm going to bed. Goodbye, guys.